We all have two skincare moods. There are days when we like to keep things quick and simple. Then there are other days where we like to indulge in a full-blown extensive skincare routine. Now this video is for the latter. Hi guys, I'm Kiran and today I'm going to show you my 10-step skincare routine you have to try. Before I begin, subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. The first and the most important step for any skincare routine has to be cleansing. It helps get rid of dirt, dead cells, bacteria and makeup. Since my skin type is dry, I like to invest in gentle non-abrasive cleanser that are infused with hydrating ingredients like this one. This is the St. Ives Watermelon Hydrating Face Wash. Just take a pea-sized amount and apply it all over the face and neck. Enriched with the goodness of 100% natural watermelon extracts and hyaluronic acid, this cleanser helps the skin retain moisture without stripping the natural oils for that fresh and youthful radiance. The second step is to exfoliate. Exfoliation sloughs away dead skin cells, and with a rise in pollution levels and other environmental aggressors, pore clogging has become a major skin concern which causes blackheads. So I like to use the Pond's Bright Beauty Face Gel Scrub. Squeeze a small amount of scrub onto the fingers and massage over a damp face in small circular motions, applying very little pressure. The brightening scrub contains a powerful combination of tan solve beads and brightening cream, so it will nourish the skin to remove blackheads and help remove suntan by washing away dullness and tan cells to bring out new bright cells for instant glowing skin. Next is the time to tone. Using a toner might seem like a product you can easily chuck out of your routine, but it has an important job to do. In addition to getting rid of any still dirt residue left out from the cleanser, toner works to repair the skin's barrier and balances your skin's pH level. In addition, it helps boost product absorption. This is the one that I've been using. It's the simple, kind to skin soothing facial toner. Spritz on a cotton pad and swipe it across the face. It's a cruelty-free formula that is free of harsh chemicals, paraben, perfume and alcohol. It has pro-vitamin B5 that hydrates the skin. Chamomile adds a boost of antioxidants, witch hazel keeps inflammation at bay, and allantoin that soothes the skin. Okay, so the next step is a sheet mask, because now I'm ready to absorb all the hydration it needs, and what better product than a nourishing sheet mask. Now the kind of sheet mask you choose should be on the basis of your skin concerns and skin goals. For me, since my skin is on a drier side, nourishment is key. This is exactly why I've been using this sheet mask for a while. This is the Pond's Vitamin Duo Sheet Mask, nourishing sheet mask with vitamin E, avocado extract. This sheet mask is infused with vitamin E that helps treat acne, signs of aging and sun damage. It also has avocado extract that nourishes the skin from within and moisturizes it pretty well to improve the dry and rough texture of my skin. Once the sheet mask has absorbed into the skin completely, I then like to follow it up with serum. Serums, as we know, are packed with active ingredients that provide targeted action. Since my dry skin is prone to irritation, itchiness and redness, which weaken the skin's barrier function, hence using a serum with hemp seed oil is important. My go-to serum is the Simple Booster Serum with 10% hemp seed oil plus B3. Take about 2 to 3 drops of the serum and pat it onto your face. It's enriched with hemp seed oil that balances the skin's oil production and vitamin B3, which improves the skin's barrier and immunity. Once the serum has been absorbed into the skin, it's time to focus on the delicate areas of the face, like the under eye area. It's the first place where we notice the signs of aging. So I bought myself a hydrating eye cream. It's the Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Radiance Night Revival Eye Cream. This product has a roll-on applicator, so I don't have to worry about applying too much pressure with my fingers. I just use the applicator to massage the product into my skin. It's infused with argan oil, which is rich in many nutrients and vitamins that requires maintaining the elasticity of the skin. Plus, it beautifully nourishes and moisturizes my under eye area and ensures that I wake up bright-eyed every morning. Now this step is for days when a pimple arrives unannounced. My quick fix for it is a spot corrector. While generally it is recommended to use a spot corrector at night because that's when your body is working hardest to repair itself, but sometimes I like to spot correct in my morning routine as well, just so that the acne can settle down a bit. Regardless of when you apply your spot treatment, make sure to tap it on before your moisturizer so it can really penetrate into the skin without having any barrier over it. Just dab a thin layer over your spot or zit and wait at least a full 1 minute for it to dry. Finally, the time has come to moisturize the face. We all know that moisturizing helps to hydrate and plump the skin, so I no longer have to struggle with dry patches. The moisturizer that has really helped my skin is this thin water-based moisturizer. It's the Pond's Super Light Gel Oil-Free Moisturizer with hyaluronic acid plus vitamin E. Take a coin-sized amount of it and apply it on the face. Infused with the goodness of hyaluronic acid, vitamin E and glycerine that gives the skin a 24-hour hydration for a water-fresh glow. It improves the skin's natural moisture holding capacity, making it soft, smooth and bouncy from within. The most important step, sunscreen. All your skincare hard work is pointless if UVA and UVB rays cause skin damage. It doesn't matter which season we're in, we're always in contact with these harmful rays and we need to protect our skin to avoid sunspots, wrinkles and hyperpigmentation. Now I recommend using a sunscreen with a broad spectrum formula that has an SPF of at least 30. It's the Lakme Sun Expert Ultra Matte Lotion Sunscreen with SPF 50. Just take 2 fingers full of sunscreen and apply it all over the face and neck. This lightweight, non-sticky, non-greasy sunscreen with broad spectrum protection that blocks up to 97% harmful sun rays. The last step is to spritz a facial mist. For starters, facial mist gives the skin an instant dose of hydration, plus it refreshes the skin even if you're wearing makeup and makes the face look glowy. Here is the Lakme 9 to 5 Vitamin C plus facial mist that I've been currently obsessing with. Its lightweight formula provides a dewy glow and enhances the skin's texture in just one spray. It contains the goodness of vitamin C, licorice and rose water extract that will help keep the skin soft, supple and glowing all day long. So guys, I hope you liked my 10-step skincare routine. Remember, maintaining a skincare routine is not a challenging task to follow. However, staying consistent and choosing the best products for your skin is very important. Time for me to go. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications.